Hola canal, prepárate para reír sin parar. Hoy vamos a disfrutar de una recopilación de los perros más graciosos de internet. Ocurrencias inesperadas, caras increíbles, travesuras y momentos que demuestran que nuestros amigos de cuatro patas son verdaderos expertos en hacernos reír. Sube el volumen y comencemos. Hijo de...
Hey, buddy. What's this? What's this, buddy?
Hi, Papas. Is that your sister? And you have the hospital blanket for her.
Ah,
This is piss and the grass is soaking wet. You can't get around.
nadie me
What
ve.
to do.
Salchichón.
Oh,
Hijo de...
My baby.
¿Y este?
He's gonna take over.
Blue. Yeah.
Oh, shh. No. No. Yes.
Cody, come. Cody.
Rudy, what happened? What happened, Rudy?
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, you guys.
Pet him. Don't use your foot. Use your hand. That's right. Be very nice. Very slowly. Oh, that was so nice.
No. Look. Want this popcorn? Want the popcorn?
Good boy.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off. Like a water.
Sit. Go flip. Oh!
Hey, baby girl.
No, it's not. Oh my goodness, Lucy.
Oh,
How you doing, baby? Hello? Hey, Miss Moose.
el Diego, papá.
going again. Whee!
Okay.
Vamos para vos haciendo RCP. ¿Qué tul, No, son unos genios.
What are you doing?
Good job, buddy. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Good job. Good job. You got it. Yeah.
6. ¿Qué hace?
Dad, stop! Stop, road!
Get it, girl. Get it. Go get it. Get it.
She's like, which
Es hijo de puta.
Echt wat. Dolly.
No, I didn't say. Please leave it outside. Okay, bye.
Science who receives the evidence and then analyzes it in some way, chemically, with a microscope, whatever. That is forensic science. And then you need to decide, okay, well, do I want to do the biology stuff? Do I want to do the chemistry stuff? Do I want to do some of the more technical things like fingerprint?
Yeah, good buddy.
really?
Oh, look at Callie swim! Oh my god.
Hey, look at me.
Did you eat my burger? Lambo. Did you eat my burger? Get down. Oh.
Ciao.
You just bit my hand.
Hey, let me out.
¿Qué fue eso? Un besito.
아구 이뻐. 우리 강아지 이뻐.
The tail is right at his head level.
I know.
I have to admit, that was a pretty impressive recovery.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
Oh, this little leg. Did you eat my burger? That's a bad boy. You cannot do that.
Ciao.
What are you doing?
We can push 2 or 3 of those tables together to be 8, 10, 12 people with that fitted seating.
This is a dog. Mosey, are you comfortable? Why are you so cute?
¡Uy, qué quilombo!
No.
Rompebola.
Wait, I just started. I haven't even sung anything yet. Stop. I have to work here.
This is how it is literally every time I leave the shower door open.
I want the ball.
Okay.
Good.
Еще что?
Pa. Good boy.
Come on.
Yes.
It's like, I know what to do. Come on.
No. Ya. Mano.
No, right here, right here. Come here.
Pet him, see if he gets it.
Step over nice and easy. Come here. Come on. Come on.
Help me! Help me!
Potato? Oh my gosh, we're suffering. Oh my gosh, I'm recording it.
എന്താ തുടങ്ങി അവന്റെ മൂളിച്ച. ഇന്നലെ കിട്ടിയതൊന്നും പോരെ നിനക്ക് ചെറുക്ക?
ただいま。ご飯食べようか。
Watch this.
What you doing, rascal?
Weird. You give me goosebumps. Look at that. I don't get goosebumps.
He's like, no. He's like, oh.
This isn't actually crazy. Stone. This sticks out right here, and look, and not over here, but over here. Weird.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
You're being dramatic.
What is it? What is it? You got tricked again? No, I'm sorry.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Oh, you growling at me? Don't show up. Wait.
No, she doesn't like men.
Yep. All your bites. Yep. No more bites. No more snackies.
Man, you're heavy. You're a heavy boy.
Good boy. Aguardo lechón.
Get it.
You think?
What?
Hijo de mil.
Hi, Loki. What you doing? Trying to get to the tree?
Did you get it?
Hey, someone, hey! Don't move along! Jackson, easy. Don't move along!
She's performing.
Ну, на ручки, маме.
Good morning.
Jefferson, ayan! Kakataas-taas na mapipilay ka eh!
Ah, mira. Mucha calor, mucho calor.
Gizzy, how you feeling this morning? Good. Do you want to do a high five today? All right. Gizzy. High five. Good, Papa.
Sassy, jump him.
Come on, baby.
Sassy, jump him.
Boy, my appetite with this.
Pueden creer que ese perro me robó mi chala y no tengo con qué irme. Ya, entrégala. ¡No!
No, chao. Ah, los gatos son tremendos, Los gatos son tremendos. Uy, qué kilo. Oh, qué crack.
Yay, good girl.
Qué crack, La ñata contra el vidrio. Ah, mirá.
Oakley, she's not big enough. She can't play.
That is hilarious and adorable.
Bueno, canal, hasta acá el video. Espero que les haya gustado. Si te gustaron, dame un like, suscríbete al canal. Gracias por mirar. Nos estamos viendo.